How to use Windsurf for free. So if you want to use Windsurf for free, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you install Windsurf. In order to install, you need to first open up your browser and then search for Windsurf. After searching, you need to go with windsurf.com, which is the official website. From here, you need to go with top right and then try to download. Click on the download option, it will download. After downloading, you'll have the application. You need to open it and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging in, and now you will get this kind of interface. On the left side, you will have the agent option. You need to click on agent, and then you will get all of the other options here. Now you need to go with next session or a new session. If you don't have any sessions yet, click on new session. This action will initiate the process of creating a new interface session within the Windsurf application. Once you click on this option, you should see a confirmation message indicating that a new session is being prepared. At this point, a code will appear on your screen. This code is essential for next steps as it links your session to a specific configuration. Make sure to take note of this code as you will need it for signing purposes. Now, you need to type in the required information to create a web page for your sign up process. This typically involves entering your details such as your email, address, and a preferred password. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid issues during registration. Once you enter all of the necessary details, wait for Windsurf to generate your new session. This might take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed and the application's current load. A confirmation message will appear once the process is complete, indicating that your session is ready for use. That's it, and if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.